In this safety video, we will explain the hazards of asbestos and the proper procedures for safety measures, the removal, and precautions that must be taken. These minerals possess high tensile strength, flexibility, resistant to chemical and thermal degradation, and electrical resistance. Given the known carcinogenic effects, asbestos minerals are considered a health hazard. Therefore, the elimination of asbestos materials from the worksite is necessary. The employer is responsible for providing the personal protective equipment. Training must be provided to all employees with the potential to come into contact with asbestos before work begins and yearly thereafter. Friable asbestos contains more than 0.1% asbestos by weight and is a potential hazard because it can release fibers into the air if damaged and easily crushed while in your hand. Asbestos exposure, both long-term and short, lead to a variety of respiratory diseases. It is fatal and irreversible. Asbestos fibers are significantly more hazardous than dust or other materials. The shape of the fibers allows them to be inhaled. Long-term exposure to airborne asbestos can cause mesothelioma as a cancer of the lung lining that's fatal and irreversible. Signs and labels must identify the asbestos material to ensure that it will not be disturbed. Engineering controls must be taken, which include enclosures, monitoring equipment, glove bags, tenting and negative pressure work areas, HEPA filters, controlled vacuums, water misters, and other equipment, ensuring the containment and cleanup of the affected work will not begin till the asbestos is removed or contained. Written procedures and management authorizations are required for all work involving asbestos-containing material. These materials have been used for decades in thousands of commercial products, such as insulation and fireproofing materials, automotive brakes and textile products, and cement and wallboard materials. Proper personal protective equipment must be used, such as respirators, disposable coveralls, gloves, and employees must be trained by a competent person. Asbestos-containing waste should only be disposed of at an authorized landfill site that is equipped to handle the asbestos waste. This concludes another CMS safety video. Please subscribe and like for updates.